83 Caste and Salary. Ranveer Singh. The actor is playing the pivotal role in this movie, which is based on the Indian cricket team of 1983 World Cup. Ranveer Singh is playing the role of the former Indian skipper Kapil Dev in this movie. In the first look of the movie, there was uncanny resemblance between Ranveer and Kapil Dev. Ranveer is charging a whopping amount of 20 crores for his role in this movie. He has also made a deal with the makers that he will be getting an extensive profit share of the film. Deepika Padukone. Deepika has also bagged an important role in this biographical sports drama. She is playing the role of Kapil Dev's wife, Romi Dev. She is also producing the movie. Deepika is charging 14 crores for her role in this movie. Pankaj Tripathi. This talented actor is playing a role of PR manager of 1983 World Cup winning team. The name of his character in this movie is Man Singh. Pankaj Tripathi is charging 3 crores for his role in this movie. Boman Irani. The extremely talented actor Boman Irani has bagged the role of Farooq Engineer in this movie. This actor is charging 2 crores for his role in this movie. Jiva. The South Indian actor Jiva has bagged the role of former cricketer Krishnamachari Srikanth. This actor is charging a whopping amount of 2 crore for his role. Hadi Sandhu. The talented singer turned actor is playing the role of former Indian cricketer Madan Lal. This movie will be Hadi Sandhu's Bollywood debut, and this is his dream role as he always wanted to be a cricketer. The singer is charging rupees 1 crore for his acting debut in Bollywood. Tahir Raj Bhasin. The Chichore actor has got the role of veteran former Indian cricketer Sunil Gavaskar. Tahir Bhasin is charging 1 crore for this sport movie. Amy Virk. Singer Amy Virk is playing the role of former Indian Test cricketer Balwinder Sandhu. He is charging 90 lakh for his role in the movie. Saqib Salim. Race 3 actor Saqib is playing the role of Mohinder Amarnath, who was a former Indian cricketer. Saqib is charging an amount of 80 lakh for his role. Jatin Sharma. This Sacred Games actor has bagged the role of former Indian middle order batsman Yashpal Sharma. The actor is charging 70 lakhs for his portrayal of the former cricketer. Sahil Khattar. The Indian YouTuber Sahil Khattar is playing the role of former Indian wicketkeeper Syed Kirmani. He is charging 50 lakhs for his role in the movie. Parvati Nair. This model turned actress is portraying the role of the better half of Sunil Gavaskar. She is charging 30 lakhs for her role in the movie. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.